Chris and Mary, trains are now running on or close to schedule here this morning, but you can see that the power company, they are still out here this morning working to shore up those power lines, those poles that came close to toppling over last night. The gust so strong it took these PSEG trucks to support these utility poles, some of them nearly snapping in half from the force of the wind. The power lines running parallel to the tracks of the Long Island Railroad. Train service this morning expected to be back to normal after coming to a halt for much of last night out of an abundance of caution.
It was an unsafe condition until we could get the trucks in here to stabilize the poles.
The blasts of heavy wind downing trees across our region Monday, including right onto the tracks of the Metro North Railroad in Hawthorne, Westchester County. It was enough to send the wheels of the lead car off the rails, shutting the Harlem line down around noon, stranding passengers on board for about an hour.
One set of wheels is off. We transferred 212 customers from this train to the new train. No injuries.
Service there also expected to be back on schedule today, but others are still trying to recover from the damage the winds left behind. The family in this home eating dinner as a tree crashed onto the roof.
It just sounded like, it felt like an earthquake.
In New Rochelle, a falling branch piercing the car of a woman driving, barely missing her. And in Glen Cove, a massive tree hit right onto a home, flattening the living room and master bedroom where moments before, a woman had been sleeping.
She woke up, she went to take a shower, and the tree fell on the bed as she was in the shower. So she was very fortunate.
Now back live again, trains are running on or close to schedule for the Long Island Railroad as well as Metro North. These crews still out here making sure that these power lines do not snap. For now, reporting live from Long Island, Janelle Burrell, CBS 2 News.
Okay.